What is going on, my friends? Hank here. We just got back from a little bit of time away for the 4th, and I decided to do a little bit of cleaning and rearranging of the old display cabinet down in the bunker here. So, I figured this would be a pretty good excuse to give you guys a little tour of the new layout and show off most of my 1/35th scale AFV collection. So, let's check it out. Alright, my friends, so here we are. Just about all of my World War II 1/35th scale collection that isn't otherwise incorporated into a diorama is in here. So, we've got our loaded up Jeep and an M8 Greyhound in the front here with some of these GIs, and a smattering of American armor behind them. From right to left there, we've got an M4A3E2 Jumbo, an M18 Hellcat, an M4A176, and an M4. Over on the Norman Church Dio, we've got our M10 and an M5A1 with some aftermarket resin sandbags on there. And more of the fellas hanging out around here. Most of my paratroopers in the back by the church. Captain Miller over on the left holding down the fort here. Please excuse the LED flicker up on the top shelf. That's going to get better as we move along. Most of these guys are in late war uniforms, some winter gear, and some M43 uniforms. And then we can drop down to shelf number 2, the German wing of the museum, so to speak. Lovely little Academy Panzer I in the front there with a Pak 36. Some mixed German infantry in front of the Jagdpanzer 38. And then left to right here, we've kind of got these in a loose development order. 2 Martyrs, 3 in the back and a 1 in the front. Lovely Lichter Panzerspahwagen 222 armored car. 2 Stug 3Gs in the back with a short barrel Stug 3B in the front. This is a heavily winter whitewashed Panzer 3L that I painted up a long time ago. Panzer 4J behind it. 2 big old Panthers, an Ausführung D on the left and a G on the right. Still need to build up an A one of these days. And finally, an early version Tiger down on the end there. On to our third shelf down, I've got a mixed bag of Allied stuff. My little Commonwealth contingent over here, an SAS Desert Jeep, Canadian infantrymen, and a British para. My Irish Guards Firefly in the back there. My only M4A2 Diesel with Pacific Theater wooden applique armor and wading trunks. This M4A3105 with concrete applique armor that is about 99% done, just needs some snow weathering on the tracks. My CCKW Deuce and a Half, this Easy 8 that I built up a long time ago, love this little build. And next to it, my T26 Pershing with 1 Miss Monroe up in the cupola there, just kind of hanging out. And then finally, down here on the bottom, my small little Soviet contingent, KV-2, T-3476, and a T-3485. And then next to them, my little Vietnam War group, an M50 Ontos, an M113, and an M551 Sheridan. So there you go. I like mixing things up every once in a while and refreshing the display. I kind of find it helpful for inspiring new projects, actually. So thanks for tuning in, my friends, and until next time, be well, happy building, cheers.